Hey there, and welcome to today's explainer. Look, if you're a digital marketer, an e-commerce operator, or really just anyone juggling multiple online accounts at scale, you've probably scoured the web searching for a Send.win extension. You've looked high and low, completely expecting to just plug it right into your browser. But you haven't found it. Well, today, we're unmasking exactly why that is, and why the actual reason might completely change how you think about browser security.
Okay, let's just dive right into this. We need to address the primary search intent and the absolute elephant in the room right off the bat. Is Send.win a Chrome extension? Like, is it just hiding somewhere deep in the web store?
The short answer is a definitive no. And honestly, that's exactly the point. I really want to be super clear here. This isn't some missing feature on a product roadmap. According to the architecture, it is a deliberate advantage. If you want true, secure multi-account management, being confined to an extension is a massive liability. It is definitely not a benefit.
So here's our roadmap for this explainer. We're covering 1. The missing extension, 2. The limits of Chrome, 3. The Send.win architecture, 4. Real-world survival scenarios, and 5. Getting started in pricing.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the missing extension.
Your initial confusion about this, it's completely valid. I mean, with literally over 250,000 tools sitting right there in the Chrome Web Store, expecting a multi-account manager to just be another extension is entirely natural. We are so used to adding little buttons to our browser for privacy or productivity, but while it's natural to look for it there, serious enterprise-grade tools simply do not ship this way. And that all comes down to some fundamental architectural limits.
Which brings us to Section 2, the limits of Chrome.
Okay, so here is the reality check. There are hard technical walls in the Chrome API that developers they can't bypass. Let's rapid fire through these limitations because they are absolutely critical. First, you cannot create truly isolated browser profiles. Everything shares the exact same underlying browser process. Second, you cannot reliably spoof hardware-level fingerprints. Things like your Canvas or WebGL data, which is essentially how your graphics card draws images, are read from your actual physical hardware. And third, you cannot assign different proxies per tab. Even super popular extensions like Foxy Proxy are forced to switch the global proxy for every single tab simultaneously. The crucial takeaway here is that Chrome itself legally prevents an extension from properly hiding your identity across multiple tabs.
Let's look at how to fix this in Section 3, the Send.win architecture.
Think of it like this, guys. Extensions are basically just putting different locks on rooms inside the exact same house. Let's walk through how clumsy that approach really is. Step 1, a website calls for your Canvas data to track you. Step 2, Chrome automatically generates a real GPU fingerprint based on your actual computer. Step 3, your extension frantically injects JavaScript to intercept that request and fake it. But wait, here's Step 4. The website runs a secondary WebGL check, realizes the intercepted data doesn't match the real hardware data, and boom, it reveals the mismatch. You've just created a massive, highly detectable red flag for any platform that's tracking you.
Now, notice the huge contrast here with the Sendwin approach. Step 1, the website calls the Canvas data. But Step 2, because Sendwin actually controls the browser engine itself, the Sendwin engine generates a consistent fingerprint natively across all detection layers. There is no frantic JavaScript interception happening. The engine itself produces internally consistent values. It completely, 100% eliminates those detectable inconsistencies.
Just take a look at this scorecard for a second. Across session isolation, proxies, and fingerprint spoofing, notice how Chrome extensions rely on shared containers and really detectable workarounds. Sendwin, on the other hand, gives you fully isolated browser processes with separate data directories, unique proxies for every single profile, and consistent engine-level fingerprint control. It absolutely outclasses shared browser containers. No contest.
Now, Send.win pulls off this deep isolation through two modes, a native desktop app for your computer and these really cool cloud browser sessions. As you can see, cloud browser sessions let you run highly isolated profiles entirely on cloud servers via a web interface. It requires zero local software installation, so you get native-level separation, but with the amazing convenience of accessing it from a tablet, a Chromebook, or anywhere you are on the go.
Time to get practical. Section 4, Real-World Survival Scenarios.
Let's take all this technical theory and actually apply it. Scenario 1, Facebook ads. If you're an agency managing 10 Facebook business managers with a basic extension, all of those sessions share the same Canvas and WebGL fingerprints. That is going to trigger bans incredibly fast. But with Send.win, those 10 profiles appear as 10 completely unique, isolated devices, each with their own unique residential proxies. Facebook just sees 10 entirely unrelated devices in 10 different cities.
Scenario 2 goes out to all the Amazon sellers out there. We all know Amazon's detection is notoriously aggressive. They are constantly looking for OS-level mismatches. If you use an extension, you literally cannot match your operating system time zone with your proxy's location. But Send.win ensures every single signal, your time zone, your screen resolution, your language, and your IP aligns perfectly. It feeds Amazon exactly what they expect to see from a legitimate separate user.
And what about running social media at scale? If you're managing Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn, an extension forces you into this clunky, one-by-one tab-switching nightmare, and you're still risking a shared real-device fingerprint. Sendwin allows you to open 20 simultaneous, entirely safe windows with zero cross-contamination. You can literally work on multiple clients at the exact same time without risking their accounts. It's a game changer.
Let's wrap things up with Section 5, Getting Started in Pricing.
You might think transitioning to this level of isolation is tough, but it's surprisingly accessible. You can actually try Send.win today. They offer a 30-day free trial, and get this, no credit card required. On the Pro plan, you get 150 unique profiles and 5 GB of proxy bandwidth included. Oh, and here's a massive pro tip for you. When you start, you are getting completely fresh, clean browser profiles. Actually, scratch that. Let me be stronger about this. Do not try to import your old, tainted Chrome data. You really want to enjoy the benefits of that clean slate. Oh, and for the developers and power users tuning in, Send.win offers full automation support. You can seamlessly connect Selenium, Puppeteer, or Playwright right to any profile's local endpoint. Having this level of programmatic control over profile creation and data extraction is something Chrome extensions physically cannot offer you.
But honestly, it all comes down to this number right here, $6.99. That is the monthly cost of the Pro plan when it's billed annually. For literally less than the cost of a fast food lunch, you are securing the most affordable, professional anti-detect browser on the entire market.
So, I'm going to leave you with a final, kind of provocative question to wrap up our explainer today. Are you really still trusting your entire business to a basic browser extension? Look, the technical walls of Chrome are clear, the risks of shared fingerprints are just incredibly high, and the solution is sitting right in front of you. It is time to ditch the risky workarounds. Start your free 30-day Send.win trial today, protect your accounts the right way, and I'll see you in the next explainer.